Alright, welcome back everybody, girls and boys. Another unboxing video. And check it out, get to use it. Woohoo! Bam, Bobo. Alright, cool. So, nothing fancy. All it says 2.5 inch, 4-piece, herb grinder, rose gold. Alright. Cool. Thank you. Told you it was gonna come in handy. Alright, let's open this bad boy up, my peeps. See what's up. Let's see. Oh, what the? There you go. That's it, my peeps. Just nothing much in here. No manual, no nothing. But let's see what's inside here. I never owned a grinder. I never bought in a grinder in my life. I got into plastic cheap ones for free. But I'm not I like breaking the flour up. I like getting it. Like, I love the experience of just breaking it down. But, you know something, owning a grinder, oh, there's a little brush. I guess for the keep. You know, for the shake. Not the shake, the keep. You know, the rosin. You know, the TAC. Okay, so let's check it out, my peeps. Beautiful grinder. So let's open it up. There you go. And then that's for the keef, my piece. All that, the TAC little flakes, and it has a little scooper too. Ah, nice. Oh, it has trash. Okay, but yeah, so you can scrape it off and then pack it in your bowl or sprinkle it on your joint, on your blunt, or yeah, you know, nothing goes to waste. So there you go, my peeps. So this thing was like this, right? Yeah. And this is a screen. I don't know how many microns it is, but yeah. So first time I have a grinder, my peeps. And it's beautiful. I like the way it looks. Okay, now it's nice and secure. And so that's how it looks, my peeps. It's beautiful, right? And then we close it up from here. Right. There you go, and then we can open it from the top, and that's where the magic happens. All the magic. Oh, you don't have to unscrew it; it just pops right out. Oh, what dumb! I'm a dummy. I was just spinning for nothing. Spin away, bro. All right, well, yeah, there you go, my peeps. So put some flour, crush it, break it down, and then pack it, roll it, smoke it, and get elevated. You know, let's go visit God for a little while, you know? Yeah, instead of like saying, hey, let's get high, let's get stoned, it's like, hey, you want to go visit God? Alright, everybody. That's it, man. Oh, yeah, and let's check out right here. Oh, I'm getting ahead of myself. Most likely for the flour. A jar. Like light proof, light deprivation. But they even have those mason jars. Yeah. Okay. Oops, sorry, my peeps. Okay, cool. Let's get this out. Let's see what's inside. What's going on. Alright, peeps, check it out. Yep, it is a flour jar, a container to store your meds, your all-natural, organic medicine. All right, I'm gonna use it. Yup, nice. So got my container to store my flour. The sun, the UV lights won't dry it up and, you know, mess with the cannabinoids and the flavonoids and the terpenes and all that good stuff. So there you go, my peeps. Can make music out of it. Alright, my peeps. Oh, cool, look. It rings. Has a nice little ding to it. Alright, my peeps, that's it for this video. Alright, everyone, y'all already know what to do. Smash that thumbs like button, right? Comment. Share the video. Hit the subscribe button. And then hit the notification bell. Bing! Alright, everyone. Be a producer, not a consumer. And thanks for the support. Alright, everyone. Peace. Love.